Welcome everyone. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of custom IAM policies in AWS. Think of them as VIP passes, giving access where needed and blocking where necessary. Precision is key. Security is non-negotiable. Whether tweaking for compliance or streamlining permissions, customized IAM policies help keep the AWS kingdom safe and sound. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Before we dive deep, let's set the stage. IAM policies are the gatekeepers of AWS. Who gets access? What can they do? It's like giving house keys. You wouldn't hand yours to a stranger, right? Well, AWS thinks the same way. Structuring policies ensures the right people have the right permissions. No surprises. IAM policies come in different flavors, like ordering coffee but with security. Some policies restrict user actions, others guard resources. Permission boundaries. Think of them as seat belts, keeping permissions in check. And service control policies. They set global rules, ensuring your AWS accounts behave like good citizens. Why go custom? Because default settings are like one-size-fits-all t-shirts, not always the best fit. With custom IAM policies, you tailor access, meet compliance needs, and tighten security where necessary. No more open-door policies, only authorized access. Imagine giving keys to your house. You wouldn't hand over all of them, right? Least privilege means only the essential permissions are granted. Less access means fewer risks. Efficiency improves and security stands strong. So let's not be overly generous with permissions. Access management in AWS is like running a secure club. You decide who enters, verify them with MFA, think VIP verification, track movements with logs, and audit permissions to ensure no one's sneaking in uninvited. Stay sharp, stay secure. Creating a custom IAM policy isn't rocket science. It's structured logic. Define the permissions, write the JSON, yes, like coding your own security rules, assign it and test it. Because an untested policy is like an unlocked door. Someone's bound to walk in. Using the AWS console. Good choice. It's like using a friendly UI to craft policies, no command line stress. You set up policies by clicking through options, defining permissions, and attaching them to users. Easy, right? The CLI route, great for automation pros. It's like skipping the graphics and going straight to the code. Define the policy, use AWS commands, attach it, and test away. A little command line magic makes everything smoother. As a PI, the ultimate power move. It's for those who want full control. API calls let you define, assign, and automate IAM policies without clicking a single button. Efficiency meets security, and automation makes it seamless. Alright folks, let's talk JSON policies. Think of them as the rulebook for who gets access to what. Each policy has statements, like little permission slips, that say what can or can't be done. We define actions, resources, and conditions to make sure only the right people get access. And trust me, one tiny syntax error can turn your security into Swiss cheese. So always double check your JSON. Now let's break it down. Actions, resources, and conditions. Actions are like the verbs of your policy, defining what can be done. Resources, they're the nouns specifying what's being accessed. And conditions, well, they're the fine print, making sure access is granted only under specific circumstances. Think of it like a VIP pass. You decide who gets backstage access and under what conditions. Validation is key. You wouldn't drive a car without checking the brakes, right? Same goes for IAM policies. Use AWS IAM Policy Simulator to test them before deployment. Always follow the least privilege principle, because giving too much access is like handing over the keys to your kingdom. And don't forget syntax validation. A missing comma can cause chaos. Regular audits, they're like routine checkups for your security health. IAM roles are like superhero capes. They grant powers but only to the right people. Instead of assigning permissions directly to users, we attach policies to roles. This makes managing access easier and more secure. Roles also help with temporary access and cross-account permissions. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Assign roles wisely to avoid security mishaps. Best practices, because security isn't a set it and forget it deal. First, always follow the least privilege principle. No need to give admin access to everyone unless you enjoy chaos. Managed policies, they save time and effort. Logging is your best friend. It helps track who did what. And finally, keep policies updated. Outdated policies are like expired milk, bad for business. And that's a wrap. IAM policies are the backbone of secure access management. Validate them, update them, and follow best practices to keep security tight. Remember, security isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. Keep learning, stay vigilant, and may your IAM policies always be error-free. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.